I'm gonna record quick. Record.
That one's jumping. Record that. Get a good load there. Good, let them shit out here. You know what I mean? I don't know, Milo. You better run. They think you have something, and you know what I mean. You don't. Come on, Milo. Hurry up. Hurry up, man. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you, Milo. I'm gonna get you. I'm gonna get you, Milo. Here comes the little black one after you, Milo. You better run. Oh, stop your bitch. You're fucking whining. You're watching Milo jumping and digging holes. Like, what the fuck is he doing? I'm gonna try that. You try it, little buddy. Blackwood's looking at Milo like there's something wrong with him. I hope he ain't my dad. Been growling like, oh, shut up, they ain't going nowhere. Watch him, Milo, he's after you. Come on, Milo. Come on, get away from him, Milo. I don't want what happened at them. You know what, you know what, Milo, you can't. They won't hurt you. All right, put the blanket down and she lay on it with him. He threw that out left in front yesterday, left it lay out there. When he came home from the vet the other day, I said, you fucking do it. Take it the fuck out and hang over the line.
Dad, shut up.
Oh. Come on. Kids are out. Left the kids out for a while. They were out yesterday too for a while. They followed Milo around. Come here, meatball.